So we made it after 4 hours roughly of amazing trekking. We came from here, went right down in there, and we hiked roughly 10 kilometers, I think, through some amazing different kinds of scenery. And then we went into a kind of forest, and we went into kind of swamplands. When it felt like it was changing every 30 minutes, the scenery was changing. And then we felt like it was like Sam and Frodo, like and the Adventures of the Hobbits, like going all the way to Mordor. But then, in the end, we got to here, which I think you'll agree is absolutely spectacular. It's actually a frozen lake, which I'm about to walk on. So, here it is. Unbelievable. And just to prove that I'm actually on the lake, there you go. Do a little dance. Yeah. A really incredible day. It's going to be tough to top this.